Oh, come over. Right, so this is one of my favorites. These are very popular, particularly for outside theatres. A lot of the big activations, people like TikTok, the client wants it big and bold. So this is the one that does that for them. Here's an example on our gallery page, all the different projects that we work on, activate installs for TikTok, road shows, Man United, office installs, floor plans, help desks, British pavilions in Saudi Arabia, global partners all over the world. And this one's the 55. So that's a very nice, that's a larger unit. And as you can see, very popular, does a really great job. And again, it has this beautiful feature for a branded fascia. To add that bit of extra branding, that bit of extra personalisation, which a lot of the big brands like Vodafone, TikTok, they want their own brand, their own name, their own colour on it. That's exactly what we do.